Another day in Bali, but the same vibe. Bali is busy and Bali is back, that's for sure, guys. Hello world, how you doing, guys? We are today in Nusa. As you saw at the beginning, as the intro, it's still very busy, so many foreigners, tourists in general. And right now, because last week we were in the Mulia side, on the other side, right?
On the southern side of the Geger Beach, but now we are still in Geger Beach, but we are in the northern side, which is Regis Hotels, another luxurious hotels.
Looks pretty nice, especially they have a nice little path with these coconut trees around, and the beach is pretty nice, wide. Also quite empty over here because this hotel is so huge, guys. It's taking like, I don't know, maybe 1 kilometer of the beach's front.
Okay guys, so this hotel, Regis Hotel Nusa, I think that long time ago, when it was normal time, when the King Salman used to stay here in the Regis Hotel.
So basically at the front, beach front, there will be villas, private villas, with the private entrances, and even I think they have a private sunbeds, so pretty cool for someone who likes vibes like this, hotels of this class. And it's already premium luxury hotel, so the price is also slightly higher than others hotels in Nusa Dua, but looks pretty nice, nice gardens. Unfortunately, we cannot get inside.
Because we didn't stay here, right?
Yeah.
So for this side, this one is the public access. So yeah, you can walk on the beach.
So basically this is the Hanover Hotel of Marriott Group, and St. Regis seems like it's not as that fancy as Mulia on the other side of the beach. And also, well, there are actually 1, 2, 3 couple of tourists here in the hotel. And on the other side of the beach, where is Kempinski, there's also Ritz-Carlton, which is of course much more fancy. And this one is actually still, let's say, kind of affordable. But yeah, doesn't look much optimistic in the hotels inside yet. Behind me, this is the gate of the St. Regis, and here all of this is empty land, guys. So technically you could potentially buy this land and build your own hotel, but since now nobody ever buy this land and anything. And somehow this is how the area of Nusa Dua over here, area of Geger Beach, used to look like about 20-30 years ago, when Nusa Dua was like just no hotels yet. Something like that, is
Yeah. Alright guys, so now we are in Geger Beach, the public beach, because last time when we were here, the beach was full of tourists. But today, let's see, I think it's the same. So this is the public beach where you can enjoy swimming by the beach, having a sport, you know, like on the beach. So nice.
I'm gonna order myself I am like last time. Definitely, I really like it, but the situation here to compare to the hotels. Yo, happy vibes, happy people everywhere around. So definitely vibe here to compare to the hotels is much better. Check this out. So many people enjoying their time by the beach and the sunbeds here by the beach. So many people actually. So happy vibes, guys, definitely. great thing about this beach is as they are local people here and the tourists walking around, and the beach is nice, clean. Lumpia ladies selling. Hello. If you wanna have a local snack, so as you see the local people, foreigners everywhere around, so it's definitely great vibe. Everybody will find something for yourself being on this beach, that's for sure, guys.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Okay guys, so we decided to have a, a break here, having a drink, and also we come back to the restaurant where we are. And yeah, it's very nice to see quite many people here enjoying their time on the beach. So nice. So it's very hot in Bali. I just jump to the water and then get changed and then have a dinner. Okay guys, now my dinner is satay because last time Damian satay looks so good and tastes good, so I ordered satay for my dinner. So yeah, I think that's all our video today from Nusa Dua. The beach is getting busier now, more locals coming. I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.